Emojis. Guys, my name is Sean over Help Me Market Please, and today is your free quick tip to take your marketing company or your company to the next level. Did you know that you can get your emojis right on your desktop and not have to worry about posting on only your phone? Guys, if you go to this website, emojikeyboardonline.org, you can actually find everything that is on your phone is on this keyboard, and it's super easy. You have all of your different symbols up here. You can search, and all you have to do is click it and paste it, and you're done. You can add it to your emails, your social marketing, your website. Pretty much anything you need is a quick tip way to just take your business to the next level and emphasize your post. Super awesome, super easy, and it's great for beginners or people that have been posting for years. Make sure you smash that like, share, and follow button for more free marketing tips to take your business to the next level. My name is Sean with Help Me Market Please, and hope to see you in the next video.
Help me market, please.